So in this video we'll be talking about how you can add the OnMouseDown function onto a button. So first you select your button and add the component event trigger. So then click on add new event type and choose pointerDown, and again add another one, and this time add pointerUp, and make a list. Now you have to make a script, C#. You can name it whatever you want. So open it in Visual Studio, and now you don't need the start method, but you do need the update method, and you need a public bool to show that if your button is working or not. So we'll just name it to isWorking, and by default it's gonna be false. So then you need two other methods, make them public. Public void pointerDown, and another one for public void pointerUp. And now so pointerDown, what you had to type in public, sorry, isWorking is equal to true. Then in here you have to type in isWorking equals to false, and then in the update method you type in an if condition. So if isWorking is equal to true, you can either type it like this or simply like this. Either way it means the same thing, and the same way this means it's false, and this also means it's false. So anyways, so if isWorking is equal to true, then we can type in a debug command. So Debug.Log, we'll type in button is working, and over here you can type in the function of your button. And yeah, that was pretty much it for the script, and just save it. Head back to Unity, wait for it to compile, then just add the script to the button, and now drag the game object which you attach the script to, and then for the pointerDown function you go to your script, and whatever so in my script it's pointerDown because what I named my function is pointerDown, and in this function isWorking is equal to true. So that's why you select pointerDown. And the same way for the pointerUp function, again you go to function and script and select pointerDown because the name of my function is pointerUp, and whereas isWorking is equal to false. Just save it. Head back to Unity. Let's just hit play. And now if you click on the button, it's working. If you hold your mouse down, the Debug.Log function repeats as we want it to. and if you let it go, it stops. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching.